Hello everyone, welcome to LearningX. In this video, I'll show you picture changing donut chart in Excel. To create this, I'll use donut chart and lookup feature. So let's do it. First of all, look at the chart. If I change the country name, the flag and the chart with the data is changing. The technique is very simple. To create this, arrange the data first. Here in the first column, we have country name. In second column, we have winning percent in the World Cup by that country, and in the third column we have the picture of flag of that country. Now type country, winning percent, and losses or draw. For country, we'll use data validation. Go to data validation, select list, select this area and click OK. Now we'll use VLOOKUP to bring the winning percent. Type VLOOKUP, select this country name as lookup value. Select this as array. For column, type 2 and 0 for exact match. Enter. So we have got our winning percent, and now minus it with 100% to get the loss or draw percent. Now we'll type a formula for name manager. Type index, select this as array, lock it. For row number, type match, select this country name as lookup value, lock it. Select this as array, lock it, type 0, bracket, and select 4 for column number, as the flag picture is in 4th column. Now copy a cell, not the flag. Copy the cell and paste it as a linked picture. We'll look up using cell, so we'll copy cell. Now copy the formula and go to name manager. Give a name and paste the formula in the reference. Click OK. Now select this picture and connect it with the name manager that we have created earlier. Now select this and insert a donut chart. Give no fill and no outline for the chart area. Then select the chart series. Give no fill for loss or draw. Change the color of this winning percent. Resize and reposition it with the flag. Make it a group and resize using shift. Now bring two more shapes and connect it, one with the country name and another is with winning percent. Give a shadow effect, and that's all. Our chart is done. If you have enjoyed the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave us a comment about your opinion regarding this visualization. Thank you.